Hello everyone and welcome to the FinLearn Academy. In this week we have seen a extreme kind of the volatility. It can be visible by looking at a weekly chart. So in this weekly chart we are having a sizable tail which represents a buying momentum from the low end, and we are also having the sizable real body as well. So which is into the red color, which shows a selling pressure as well. So both the forces buying and selling were active in this week. So looking at a daily chart which will magnify a little bit more, so we can understand that means the first 4 trading sessions were quite into the negative momentum, but the last candle there was a negative momentum into the initial ticks, but it has recouped entire losses over there and recovered from that. So this is what a very strong momentum that we have seen on the last day of the week, and as a result of it, as a wall week, we have seen a declining momentum by 1.67%. Looking the current low from the technical perspective, means let's say if I am putting my horizontal line at the low of it, so we can understand that means this is what near about the role reversal point or the level which was acting as in resistance. It has acted as in a support in a recent context. Gap down area has fulfilled over there, and we have seen a certain kind of recovery from that. From the another approach like a Fibonacci retracement, if I take the help of that, so this is what our bottom and this is what our top is all about. So here we can also understand that means a 50% price momentum has happened on the downside, but at a 50% retracement level it found its feet and it has recovered from that. Looking at a configuration of the positive trend or a bullish momentum, in a bullish momentum normally we witness a one thing, that means prices disrespect the resistance and prices pay a respect to the support levels. So whatever the journey that we have seen into the recent history, over there means multiple number of the occasions we have seen that means the resistance has taken out, the prices has moved on the high side, and whatever the key support levels were there, it has hold over there. Means let's say earlier it was 8,800 level. So from that we have found a support over there, and thereafterwards we have seen a recovery. Right now it is 9,500, 9,600 in between. So prices has come to this level, and from there we have seen a strong recovery. So it is following a characteristics of a broader positive trend over there, which says that means respecting it's in support level and disrespecting is in a resistance point. So looking forward, that means how the next week is likely to be and what are the key levels that we are having. So based on the formation of the recent structure, it is a positive momentum, but from a very short term perspective or maybe in the initial trading sessions, we might face a certain kind of the resistance near about the 10,030 level, which is a very mild resistance point. Why? Because there are certain kind of the turning points or my resistance band has formed over there. So this particular patch can act as an immediate resistance point for coming week. This is nothing but a 10,040 level to 10,150 level, near about 100 point range is there, which is a potential resistance point. But the bias will remain a positive as far as the index is holding the middle value of it. Means let's say the middle value comes at around 9,750. This is what expanded range candle. If I take the 50% of it, it comes at around the 9,750. So as far as this level is holding, the bias is on the positive side. On the cautionary side, the 10,040 to 10,150 level can act as a mild resistance point, but overall the broader picture seems to be the positive side. So whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.